This is a very common error in Fedora while updating this. Sorry, something went wrong. And let's see details. What does it say? Okay. Okay, so uh, we'll see plugin base conflict with file build free world. Okay. Let's refresh again. Let's see if it's solves after that. Downloading again. Something went wrong again. Same error, I guess. Okay, so I figured it out why it's happening. Let's again check what the error says, and then I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so it's not showing now because let me show you the error. Show it. Okay, so it was saying like this two packages were conflicting, VLC plugin base and VLC plugin free world. So this VLC plugin base, it's provided by Fedora, like officially provided by, and this VLC plugin free world, I had installed it via RPM Fusion when I had installed, I think, codecs, multimedia codecs when I had installed that. So if you have also done that and you don't even use VLC because there is no VLC in my system, I use MPV. So in this command will fix it. So we need to remove this VLC plugin free world because we don't need it anyway. I'm not using VLC. So after removing this, when you will click here download, you'll download it and won't show any error like it's not showing here. Now I can just restart and update.